Hi guys, today's recipe is a winter special immunity boosting recipe and I can't wait to get started. So let's get started. I am taking some raw turmeric. I have peeled it and now I'm going to grind it using a mixer jar. So we'll be using about 2 tablespoons of raw turmeric and we are going to use a glass jar to store it. So we are going to put our raw turmeric first, then we are going to do the same process with ginger and we are going to use around 2 tablespoons of ginger as well. Now both turmeric and ginger are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and both these are great for boosting your immunity. Ginger will aid in digestion as well, and who doesn't know the benefits of turmeric? I mean, we use it in our kadha, we use it in whenever we think about immunity, turmeric is the first thing we think about. Now I'm adding in half teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of lemon zest and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Now black pepper helps to increase the bioavailability of turmeric, meaning there's a compound called curcumin in turmeric and it's better absorbed when you add black pepper. And as curcumin is fat soluble, we are adding some fat, like I'm using 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can also use ghee, so it will be better absorbed by your body. Now I'm adding in 1/3 cup of honey. Honey is known as a natural energy booster and it's great for your immune system. It's great to provide relief during cough and cold. So I've made it directly in a glass jar so that I don't have to clean anything. So you can just store this in your refrigerator for 7 to 10 days and use it whenever you want to have it. Maybe you can have it first thing in the morning with your warm water. So you just need to put a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of this and just add hot water and you are good to go. Like you don't have to every day make your kadha or anything again and again. You can sprinkle some cinnamon powder or nutmeg powder on top of it and you can chew on the bits that you can see here. Like I like to chew on them. If you don't like doing that, then you can strain it, so you can have it however the way you want it. And trust me, it's not bitter. It's like a very good soothing turmeric tea. So I'm pretty sure you're going to like this instant premix tea. Please make sure if you do like it or whatever your feedback is, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such recipes. Till then, take care. Bye bye.